Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we will be exploring how we might begin to befriend uncomfortable feelings, learning to accept our experience without condition. To begin, take a moment to find a comfortable seated position, whether on the floor, on a bench, or a chair. Let your crown extend up towards the ceiling and your shoulders to fall naturally down towards the earth. Close your eyes and allow your attention to turn towards the breath. Simply notice the sensation of this life force as it moves into and out of your body. Note where you can feel the breath within you. Note the expansion associated with the inhalation and the release associated with the exhalation. Expand as you inhale. Soften as you exhale. And then observe the earth beneath you, sensing each part of your body that is in contact with the surface that supports you. Note the force of gravity that keeps you tethered here. Let each inhalation fill you as it reaches down towards the base of your spine. And each exhalation to flow up through your crown. Spend a few moments breathing in this way, watching each breath span the length of your spine. And if the mind wanders while practicing this, simply notice this movement and then come back to your breath. It is entirely natural for the mind to wander. Our agency is in what we do with our attention once we notice it has drifted. Now, let your breath come back to its natural rhythm. And let us take a moment to dive deeper into the power of accepting our discomfort. Many of us hold a subconscious belief that certain emotions are wrong or negative. Feelings such as embarrassment, guilt, and anger are often judged in a less than supportive light. However, it is only when we can accept the presence of these feelings that we come to realize our innate wholeness. In the words of Tara Brach, if we are holding back from any part of our experience, if our heart shuts out any part of who we are and what we feel, we are fueling the fears and feelings of separation that sustain the trance of unworthiness. So, in light of this quote, we can consider that accepting uncomfortable feelings is a practice of opening the heart to our full experience. It is a way of tending to our inner pain with kindness, rather than condemning, judging, or suppressing it. As we practice accepting our discomfort, it is important to remember that this does not mean we must believe any particular emotion to be good or right. Rather, it dissolves all judgment of our experience so that we may simply tend to our discomfort with love and care. As we move into the practice, try to keep some distance between the stories that are associated with any feelings you experience. Instead, tend to the raw experience of any particular emotion. And as with all meditations that deal with uncomfortable emotions, this practice might be difficult for some. Remember that self-care is crucial, and you are free to stop this practice at any time if needed. So take a moment now to settle into the body by coming back to your breath. Soften your belly as you allow your breath to flow freely. And then center your attention on the loving heart. Invite in more love as you inhale. And release any barriers to wholehearted acceptance as you exhale. And then allow your awareness to expand so that it can hold any emotions that are present. You do not need to search for any emotions. Simply observe what is here. In light of whatever arises for you, take a moment to invite these feelings into the heart space. And then silently repeat the words, "I am here for you. I accept you. I love you. I am here for you. I accept you. I love you." I am here for you. I accept you. I love you. If any thoughts arise that try to explain why you should not be accepting, witness those as well with patience, compassion, and wisdom. You might even silently turn towards those words of resistance and whisper once again, "I am here for you. I accept you. I love you." Take a moment now to raise your hands to your heart, holding yourself patiently and tenderly. And then to close this practice, take a moment to set an intention to continue cultivating unconditional acceptance in the days to come. Come back to your breath now, grounding yourself in the ebb and flow of each cycle. Connect with the ground beneath your seat. And when you feel ready, gently let your eyes open. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you again.